Hi, and welcome to your daily dose of grammar taught by Mrs. Owens. Today's focus, prepositions. By the end, you should be able to complete this sentence frame. I know that a preposition comes before a noun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. It's like a word bridge. Here are 3 words that are prepositions: on, in, and at. Let's look at these pictures of bridges. You might notice and recognize the one on the left as the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. And there's other bridge you may have seen in Washington also. But I want you to think, what is the purpose of bridges? A bridge connects 2 sides of things. If you look on the left, it is connecting land on the left to the land on the right. So it's connecting Gig Harbor to the city of Tacoma. Today, you're going to learn that a preposition is a bridge in the world of words. A preposition is a bridge that comes before a noun or a pronoun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. So if you have a noun at the end of your sentence, and you have the rest of the sentence, you're going to need a preposition before that noun to make your sentence make sense. That word is called a preposition. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have the car at the end of your sentence, and at the beginning of your sentence you have I sat. Now, would you say I sat the car? That doesn't really make sense. So we need to put a preposition or a bridge that will connect the car to I sat. And I think in would make sense. I sat in the car. In is connecting the noun, the car, to the rest of the sentence. Let's do some more practicing. Remember, a preposition connects a noun to the rest of the sentence. And a preposition comes before the noun. So if we have the rug, in the rest of the sentence is the girl sat, what word would connect the rug to the girl sat? The girl sat on the rug. On is a preposition. The boy jumped blank the puddle. What would a boy do? Maybe the boy jumped over the puddle. Or maybe the boy jumped in the puddle. Our last example is the teacher smiled her students. That doesn't make sense. So we would need to connect her students with the preposition. This teacher smiled at her students. Here's a list of prepositions. You can choose to point at each word with a pencil or a finger, and you can choose to whisper or use a silly voice as we read these words together, or you can just sit and listen. Our first word is above, across, after, around, at, before, behind, below, beside, between, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, into, of, off, on, out, over, through, to, under, up, and with. I bet you've seen and read those words before and even spoken those words before. So our focus today was prepositions, and this is our goal was to figure out what words fit into these blanks. I know that preposition comes, think to yourself, it comes before a noun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. It's like a word bridge. And here are 3 words that are prepositions. Remember, we sat in a car, we sat on a rug, and we jumped over a puddle. So that's your day's lessons. Now check out your activity in Seesaw to practice a little bit more.